New day, new beach adventure. It is 18th of June and we have mostly cloudy weather today with some rays of sunshine here and there. And I am today at Sköndal, in translation, Nice Valley. It is a neighborhood in the southern suburbs of Stockholm. And to get here it took me just 8.5 kilometers with my Scott, approximately 20 minutes. And this over here is Talludden, a rocky wild beach that's very close to the two official public beaches of Sköndal that are called Sköndalsbadet, that I can see people are swimming right now, and also the Drevviken that I have already shown you earlier this year. It is time for beach number 67 on my Sweden beach adventures, and today I'll be taking a swim in Lake Drevviken. Currently we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air, so it's quite warm despite the clouds, and it is the same temperature in the sea. The lake. This is obviously a lake, Lake Drevviken, the same as in the air. So it's pretty much perfect for a swim without having to feel cold. Yes, so this is how the rocky beach looks like. Lots of nature all around, and I see a very nice spot there to dive in or to get into the water. And today is my last day in Sweden. It's been in Stockholm for a while, because I will be going for a trip in a different part of Sweden tomorrow. So I'm really looking forward to that indeed. There will be definitely episodes from that place where I'm going to, but I'm gonna keep it a secret, so you will see. Yes, let's then embark in the lake and enjoy the beautiful day despite being cloudy today. All right, let's see, here we have some rocks, so it's inconvenient to get in as well here. We can also hear the cars moving on the motorway, which is a minus in my opinion, but yeah, that's about it. All right, here I am. Oh, I can also stand here. It is rather a bit sandy as well. All right, cool. Then we are ready to embark today here at Talludden in Sköndal and take a swim in Lake Drevviken. Let's go! Brilliant, as always. Yes, it is already deep enough where I am right now. Let me show you around while I swim a bit. We can see Hokarengen on the other side, the sandy beach. It's quite crowded, as I can see from the distance. There are also some new buildings there in Sköndal. That's obviously close to Farsta. There we can see Solbryggan and Sköndalsbadet in the distance. And this is my beach for today that you can see. I'm all alone. And if you continue in that direction, you will end up in Orhem. And Flatten Lake is also close by as well. And we can see some houses on the other side that are overlooking the lake, which I think is amazing. Cool. Then that's a wrap from this rocky beach in Sköndal at Talludden. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.